Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular operating systems, Chrome OS and Zorin OS. Let's see which one suits your needs best. We'll break down each OS across 5 key factors: the user interface, performance, software availability, security, and their ideal target audiences. By the end, you'll know which OS is right for you. So whether you're a casual user, a power user, or somewhere in between, stick around to find out which OS comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the user interface. Chrome OS is all about simplicity. If you're already familiar with Chrome browser, you'll feel right at home. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it just gets out of your way. This makes it perfect for everyday users, students, or anyone who wants something that just works. Zorin OS, on the other hand, offers a more traditional desktop experience. Think Windows or macOS, with a taskbar, desktop icons, and a more customizable interface. And the cool thing about Zorin is that it actually lets you choose from different layouts to match what you're used to. So, both operating systems offer user-friendly interfaces, but cater to different preferences. We'll give the edge to Chrome OS for pure out-of-the-box simplicity, but Zorin OS definitely wins if you crave more customization and control over your desktop experience. Next up, let's talk speed. Chrome OS is known for being incredibly lightweight. It boots up in seconds, runs smoothly even on low-end hardware, and because it's primarily web-based, it doesn't bog down your system with a bunch of unnecessary processes. Zorin OS, being based on Ubuntu Linux, is no slouch either. It's actually known for its performance and stability. You can run it on a wide range of devices, from older machines to more modern hardware. That being said, Zorin OS can sometimes require a bit more horsepower than Chrome OS, especially if you're running demanding applications. So, in a head-to-head speed test, Chrome OS might have a slight edge, especially on lower-end hardware, but both operating systems offer solid performance overall. Chapter 3, Round 3, Software and Compatibility. Now this is where things get interesting. Chrome OS relies heavily on web apps and the Chrome Web Store. And while the selection has been growing steadily, it's still not quite at the level of traditional desktop operating systems. So if you're heavily reliant on specific desktop software, Chrome OS might not cut it. Zorin OS, however, gives you the best of both worlds. You've got access to a vast library of Linux software, which you can easily install through its Software Center. Plus, it even lets you run a lot of Windows applications using a compatibility layer called Wine. So if you need the flexibility to run a wide range of software, Zorin OS is the clear winner here. Chrome OS is great for web-based tasks and casual use, but Zorin OS definitely takes the crown for software availability and compatibility. Chapter 4, Round 4, Security. Let's talk about security. Chrome OS is known for its robust security features. You get automatic updates, sandboxing of apps to prevent them from harming your system, and verified boot to make sure your device hasn't been tampered with. It's a really secure operating system. Zorin OS takes security seriously too. Being based on Linux, it benefits from a strong security foundation. You get regular security updates, and the community is very proactive about patching vulnerabilities. However, it does require a bit more user awareness and intervention compared to Chrome OS's more hands-off approach. Honestly, both operating systems score high in the security department. Chrome OS has the edge in terms of being more user-friendly and hands-off, but Zorin OS gives you more control and transparency if you're willing to dive in a bit deeper. Chapter 5, Round 5, Target Audience. So who are these operating systems for? Chrome OS is perfect for users who value simplicity, speed, and security. It's great for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking email, light productivity, and entertainment. It's also a fantastic option for students or anyone who needs a reliable and affordable machine. Zorin OS, on the other hand, is for users who want more flexibility and control over their operating system. It's perfect for those who need to run a wide range of software, prefer a more traditional desktop experience, and don't mind getting their hands a little dirty with customization. Ultimately, the best operating system for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. But hopefully, this comparison has given you a clearer picture of what each OS brings to the table. Outro. So, which operating system is right for you? It all depends on your needs and preferences. If you prioritize simplicity, speed, and security, Chrome OS is a great choice. But if you need more flexibility, software compatibility, and a traditional desktop environment, Zorin OS might be the better option. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer, and why. And if you found this comparison helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tech showdowns just like this one. Thanks for watching.